Hello, this is Mr. Ahord coming at you with another video. I hope you guys are staying safe and being healthy. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about slope-intercept form. And what that is, it's the slope, which is m, which is what we've been talking about for the last couple of weeks, maybe a month. Alright, is y of 1 minus y of 2 over x of 1 over x of 2. That change in y, or the change in x, and then the rise over run. Alright, so that's the slope, which is m. And then our intercept, which we'll be talking about the y-intercept this time, which is our b. Okay? So I want you to understand what it is and why we're using it. So what it is y equals mx plus b is basically what we use to write the equation of a line. Why is it important? It's important because it's the easiest way and the most common way to express lines in algebra. And how do we use it? It always starts when we're graphing. We want to start with the information they give us, but usually that is the b or the slope. And then I don't want to go into x and y just now because I don't want to confuse you guys over the lesson we're going to be talking about today or going forward this week. So, all right, so y equals mx plus b or y equals mx minus b, depending on where it is on our graph. So we have our y-axis here, and then this is our origin. You guys know about the origin, right? And so if it is below the origin, it's going to be y equals mx minus b. So if our y-intercept is below the origin, that's when it equals minus b. If our y-intercept is above the origin, or above the x-axis, or the origin, like I said, y equals mx plus b. All right? And that's how we know whether it's a plus or minus. It's pretty straightforward. I'm going to go, what we're going to be doing is at the first lesson, we're just going to be identifying our slope, slope-intercept form, and we're going to be identifying the y-intercept. So, on the equation, y equals mx plus b, that is our slope-intercept formula. All right, I'm going to go with y equals mx plus b. All right, I'm going to do the equation y equals 5x plus 4. All right, so how do we do that, or what do we do? All right, I'm going to start with our y-intercept. All right, which is going to be 4. This is our y-intercept. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, y-intercept is just like in soccer, soccer, football. You know, intercept is when it crosses over. So like when I go to intercept a pass from a wide receiver, you know, I cross over in front of that wide receiver to pick off that pass from the quarterback. All right, just like in soccer, when I intercept a pass, all right, going through the midfield, I'm intercepting, I'm crossing in front of the offensive player to pick off that pass or intercept that pass. So all that is saying is that the line that we're going to draw will cross at positive 4. So plus 4. This is our y-intercept, and then 5 is our slope. All right, and how do I want you guys to do that on your paper? Is I just want you to put m equals, and it's going to be 5, and then our y-intercept equals 4, or positive 4. You don't have to put the plus sign. I prefer that you not put the plus sign, all right, so that we know that what it is, all right? We already know that anything by itself is a positive number. If it has a negative, we'll know that it's a negative. All right, so I'm going to let you copy this down. I'm going to get this a little bit closer for you. So you copy this down. Excuse me. All right, so y equals mx plus b, y equals 5x plus 4. Our slope is 5, the first number, all right, and then plus 4 is the y-intercept. That's a positive number, right? And then you see that I put my slot right, my y-intercept is 4. Okay, I'm gonna give you a couple seconds to write that down. You can also pause the video right now while I go on. Okay. All right. So using that same equation, y equals mx plus b. I don't want to trip you up. All right. So now I'm gonna switch it so you guys can see it when it's a negative number. So y equals mx minus. I'm sorry. Y equals minus b. I keep putting 5 up. Why? I don't know. All right, so y equals 5x minus 4. So using basically the same numbers, the only thing I switched was the y-intercept. So I want to show you the difference. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And so remember, that's below the origin. Minus equals below the origin. So it's still the y-intercept. And this is our slope still. So how am I writing this? Remember, slope, we can shorten it to m equals 5. That's still going to remain positive. All right? And then our intercept will be negative 4. So y-intercept equals negative 4. On this one, you have to put your negative sign. So if it's a negative, if you see that it's a negative b, you know that it's going to be below the origin, and we have to put it on our y-intercept. So today, that's all we're going to be doing on our worksheet. All right? If you have any questions, please please email me. I'm available all the time. I'm up. I'll get back to you, I promise you, within 24 hours. Absolutely. So I hope you guys are staying safe. I miss you guys. And if no one's ever told you that they love you today, know that I do and always will. All right? Miss you guys. Bye.